Hi, so in this video I will tell you what is depression, what are the signs and symptoms of depression, what is the treatment that you can do, and what are the steps that you should need to follow right now. So what is depression? Depression is the result of chemical imbalance. How does that happen? Causes of this is maybe nerves have tried, your one or two nerves have tried, maybe because of the gene or maybe because of the environment you are in. And what are its treatment? So the treatment is, if it is a result of chemical imbalance, then you will just fix that, restore chemical balance to treat depression. How you can do it? You can go to a doctor, you can ask for some pills, some medicines, you can eat that, and then it will restore chemical and then you will become all good. Thank you, it will take care of your depression. We'll see you on next video. So this is what I have seen many people to speak, and around 95% of them speak depression like that. But if it is chemical imbalance, why is that imbalancing happening on the first place? So if it is chemical imbalance, why is that imbalance taking place on the first place? So after reading so many research papers, after reading so many books, I found the real equation of depression thanks to Mr. F. Radwan. Depression equal to unsolved problems plus loss of hope. Now, if there will be just unsolved problems and you are taking no action, you will feel bad. But if you are start taking action, suppose you want any job and you are preparing for it and you are not able to crack it, you will feel bad. So unsolved problem, you want to get a job, you are not able to crack it, you will feel bad. But suppose you have given interview for 10 times, 12 times, 15 times, 20 times and you failed each time. So the state will become hopeless state, and when it will combine with unsolved problem that you want a job, it will lead to depression. So depression is nothing but unsolved problem plus loss of hope. So before going there, I just want to tell you that whatever we feel, it is due to chemical reactions. If you are feeling happy, that is due to chemical reaction, secretion of some chemicals. If you are feeling sad, due to secretion of some chemicals. That does not mean just eating pills will take care of everything, because we cannot act inside, we have to act outside to feel good, to feel better. So here is another example so that you can understand it better. You will be able to understand how to treat it. Suppose a boy or a man left a woman or girl saying that, hey, you are ugly. So even if the girl believes that she can get other boy, but what will go in her mind? That she is ugly, and what will happen after that? She will start feeling depressed. If she just focuses too much on her appearance, thanks to Instagram, thanks to social media, people have started giving much preference to those things. She will start feeling depressed because she cannot treat that thing. And also one thing has happened, loved person has left her because she is ugly. But if same happens with some handsome person like me, or some handsome person, or some cute girl, or who is very hot, so if it happens with her and the guy or the girl will tell that, hey, you don't look smart, that's why I'm leaving you. So even if that person will feel bad because his partner or her partner is leaving that person will not feel depressed due to the fact that he is ugly. Yes, the person may feel depressed because the other person, his loved one, left that person, but that person will not feel depressed for the look because he believes that, yes, I look good. So there is what? Unsolved problem plus loss of hope. So in the case where girl is getting depressed, there is loss of hope because she knows she is ugly, she cannot become beautiful, that's why she is becoming depressed. So you have to change it to get out of depression. And how to do that, I will tell you in the video. Please watch the video till end. I will tell you how you can get rid of depression. In this just one video, if you will follow this, I'm promising you, you can get rid of depression. So what are the causes of depression? There are different causes. It can come from gene or from the environment. Suppose you stay at a place where it is being told that, hey, money is important, money is everything, money is everything. You should own Ferrari, you must have one Lambo, otherwise you are nothing, your life is nothing. What will happen if suppose you went to some school, you went to college and you could not get that good amount of money to have all these things, what will happen? You will feel bad, and after a period of time you will feel depressed, because in the mind what is there? If I am not owning a Ferrari, my life is a waste, and hence people will start feeling depressed. I will tell you more about that. Now let's talk about signs and symptoms of depression. Are you depressed or not? So they always will feel sad, they will feel anxiety always. But some of the time they will feel guilty for no reason, or sometimes they will just cannot control themselves. They will tell bad things to their loved person and then they will feel guilty. There will be change in appetite. Either he will eat more or he will leave eating. There can be insomnia, or a person will sleep all the time. All the time in the world the person will sleep. Medicines will stop working for other illnesses, and he or she will lose his interest in life, in the things that he loved or she loved most. So this is the thing that is happening. And now, if you are feeling these things, how will you get out of it? Watch the video till end. So what are the treatment here? So there are two treatment in depression. One, you will go to psychotherapist or counselor. Other thing is you will take medicine. And does medicine really cure depression? Can it really cure that you are not feeling well due to your color? So can medicine really cure depression? Can medicine will help you to restore relationship that caused you depression? Job that caused you depression? The answer is no. It is just a painkiller that will help you. And also there are a lot of side effects which I'll tell you in next videos. The side effects of taking antidepressants. Just don't throw it right now. You just have it and just throw it after your doctors will tell you to do. Because once you will take care of other things, you can stop taking medicines after consulting doctor. Other thing is that you will go to psychotherapist or counseling. So what they do is that they will work with you to get to your problem and they will help you to solve it. And also when I'll consult my clients, what I do, I listen to them, I understand their problem, I try to go depth in their problem, and then I tell them what to do so they can get out of it. And I have consulted 150 plus people with 100% success rate, and there are only 4 slots available. If you want to talk to me, you can go in the link given in the description and then you can talk to me. But suppose if you could not contact me, how will you treat yourself? So what is depression? Is unsolved problems plus loss of hope. So if you will be able to work on these two both, you will be able to solve it. So for loss of hope, if you are feeling hopeless, you have to read more about it. Just don't think that I know everything about this matter and I have the knowledge of everything in the world. Don't think like that. If you need help on anything, if you want to crack job, you should need to read how to really crack it. Start reading it from experts. You should start reading. And then other thing is positive thinking, giving yourself affirmations, being with positive people, listening to positive music, or praying to your God. That will help you to restore the loss of hope. Other thing is unsolved problems. How will you take care of unsolved problems? So suppose if someone told you that you are ugly because your face structure may be slightly different. Also there are some exercises that over a period of time will change your face structure. Do you know that? Go and apply that if you believe. Also there are, if I don't find you attractive, there are other people who find you attractive. You need to read about attraction psychology. You will understand that because of my past I don't like men or women who have these features. So suppose I'm just giving you an example. Suppose I'm a girl. A person with beard just hit me on the road and that person tried to do some bad things with me. So whenever I'll see a person with beard, I'll dislike the person. And right now when when that girl will be like around 22 years, 23 years, every girl will like a man with beard, but she won't like it because there is something that she is not liking it. So I will tell you more about that in future videos. Other thing is that suppose if you are feeling that your color is slight dark and that's why you are feeling not self-confident, to those persons whose color is more fair to you and you are feeling that no, I don't belong to same class like them, because the society may have created that type of environment. You have to tell yourself, hey, I am the son of God like they are, so we are equal. And you have to read the success story of the person of your color that who have achieved more, and then you will start feeling good. You will not feel depressed due to just your color. Many people have gone through those situations that this script is written all in their head, that they are this color so they feel like that, they are of this color so they feel like that, and what is happening? They are feeling less self-confident, depressed, or other things are happening. So now the next thing is that how to change the belief. How to change the belief, I will tell you more about that in the next video, because it's a very big thing, how to change the belief. So there are many things about that I will share with you. So if you want to get rid of depression very quickly, you have to do both. Working on the unsolved problem, either it can be belief, solving that belief, or loss of hope. You have to bring back hope. And if you want to get out of depression, overcome depression as soon as possible, I have also written a book, because I cannot publish video every day, every minute. So I have already written a book, and this I have written after reading 1500 plus articles, 15 books and courses on depression, consulting 150 plus people suffering from depression, and then I have written everything that you can do and get out of depression. And also there is 110% money back guarantee. 110% money back guarantee if you don't like the book, because I believed in it so much. And this 110% money back guarantee will not be there forever, because people may start misusing the feature, so I will remove it. But if you want to get rid of depression as soon as possible and want reassurance that you will not lose any money, if you will not like the book, you will actually gain 10% of the money, you can go there in the link and get the book. So other thing is that suppose if there is no solution, if you have wrong belief, how to cure that? So I'm giving you my own example. You try to relate to that and try to fix yourself also. So see, when I was a kid, I wanted to be a famous rapper, and when I have become 25 years old, 26 years old, and I'm not a famous rapper, and I found that many people who are not as talented as me in that industry only are more famous than me, they are earning more money than me. So I started feeling bad, and how I treated and fixed those beliefs, because it cannot be solved overnight. So what I did, that I asked myself why I wanted to be a famous rapper, what I really wanted. And when I introspected, I found that actually I wanted fame also, I wanted to rap also, because I liked that thing and I had stopped doing that thing. So what I started doing, I started writing again, and then what happened that I have fixed one part, and also I wanted fame, and I fixed my self-confidence part, so that I don't need appreciation from other person to feel worthy. So if someone will appreciate me, I will feel good, but that does not make me feel depressed, because I am also taking action on that. I have started writing it, I have started reading more about it. Instead of just thinking that I am not there, I have started taking action, and I have fixed my belief, found that actually I'm going for fame, I was not going for the thing that I really liked. And then I started going there, and it fixed me, and I don't feel bad right now. Other thing that people will tell you, that you do some lifestyle changes, but do you think that if your relationship is not going good, if you are depressed because of your color, if you are depressed because of your job, will lifestyle change will help you? Those are the small things that will help you a little, but they will not help you to get out of depression. Do you think that drinking and partying will help you? No, they will just help you for one day, and then again depression will come back twice its size. So now what you need to do, you need to think, if the problem cannot be solved, if problem cannot be taken care of, if you cannot do any action, if those things can be possible, then you will start taking action. If you cannot take action, what you should need to do, you need to ask to expert how you can solve the problem. If it is not belief, suppose if it is a major thing, you want job and you are not getting it, you cannot just leave it. What you will do, you will talk to expert who have already cracked those jobs. Search in YouTube, you will get it. You will start reading more about that thing. You will start more reading about relationship. Then you will get to know, oh, the girl left me because of these reasons, I will fix this. Then that girl can come back, or maybe other girl or boy who is better than that person will come back. Those things you need to fix. you need to ask help from experts, from internet, YouTube, Google, from God. Ask help from him and start taking action. You have to do some lifestyle changes, like including exercise, because when you will exercise, endorphins, serotonin will release, and then those hormones will help you to feel good. And if there are some liver issue, vitamin D, vitamin B12 issues, that will also cause you to feel depressed. So you have to take care of those things also. So if you want to get out of depression right now, watch the video again, write everything that you can take action on, or you can just go and purchase the book. Everything is written step by step manner, easy manner, and you can get out of it. In just 2 weeks it will go half, and in just 2 months it will be just 10% or 5% of what it was before. And it will not be, there is 110% money back guarantee. You will not lose anything. So you will not get video like this in details in depression anywhere in YouTube, and it is the best channel on depression. So if anyone else is feeling bad or going through mood swings or depressed, just refer him Beat Depression. Ask that person, have you watched Beat Depression? So thanks for watching the video. If you like the video and want to get rid of depression and bad mood, subscribe the channel Beat Depression, the best channel on depression on YouTube. Thank you.